Okay, so here I made a small screw jack by looking at videos from YouTube. Actually, I made it for lifting one scooter for changing the center stand. The scooter doesn't have side stand. Okay, so here it is very simple. One round dummy plate is there, then square tube is there, and here one washer is there below this screw. This is 25 mm screw. Sorry, 25 mm bolt. Sorry, nut. Below that, one thick washer is there. Most of the load is going directly from this nut to the square pipe. Then this screw is there. Sorry, this bolt is there. I don't know, thickness is like close to half an inch or 3/4 of an inch. Okay, and then one rectangular dummy plate, and all materials are mild steel. This is welded here very well. This washer is welded to this pipe. This pipe is welded to the stand. So here all are mild steel material. The threads are greased. It looks okay. Some paint also applied. That is coming off now. The wheel has come off. Sorry, is lifted now of the ground. This is like a 110 vehicle sedan. Sorry, hatchback. Toyota Ethos Lever 2015 model. Here problem is this jack will only fit when there is air in the pipe. Sorry, in the tube. In the tube, when there is air only, this 6-inch jack will fit into this place. Okay. Secondly, even after elongating the length, it's like maxed out, just able to lift it, but that is okay. But when your puncture is there, you won't be able to insert this. That problem is there. Yeah. Secondly, this grip has to be firm. Okay, it was rotating, then it rested here like this. Finally, grip has to be very firm. Yeah, so you can do this for school lifting scooters and all, not for cars. For cars, better to use the floor jacks. Even the scissor jacks they tell is not recommended. It's only for emergency. The sound you are hearing is from the cats here. Okay, so even this mild steel one is able to hold it up, but don't know whether it is safe. I want to use it for scooter. I'm just testing it and rotating it. I use this spanner set to 25 mm. This thickness maybe, I don't know, around 18 mm maybe, the diameter of this one. The largest bolt I found which is having the nut and washer available. So it is able to take the load, but scissor jacks are better. You have puncture, low ground clearance. Even the hydraulic jack is difficult to fit in this. Once it is jacked up, you should put jack stands, multiple jack stands, and only then work with it. Work underneath the vehicles. And now while removing the jack, I am facing the problem that when I rotate this is also rotating. There may be slippage. You have to make sure that you tighten it only when this is firmly gripping this without able to rotate. Now I have to hold this via some bar through this, Tommy through this, and then lower it down. Otherwise there is risk of slippage. See, you'll see some damaged threads here. See, after lifting this 1-ton car, some damaged threads are there here. So this nut has got some 4 or 5 threads. So only this part got damaged by lifting approximately, I think, 500 kilo weight. So you should use proper hardened steel nuts while building jack, and don't recommend to build it at all. And also, it was a very difficult situation. Once I had fixed it, taking it off was very difficult. While installing it, this thing rotated like that. Okay, and while removing it, only after it rotated the other way, and this thing I had put a screwdriver to prevent this from slipping. Only after doing that, I could remove this. Basically, it was a locked up situation. Only after this whole thing rotated from this to this position was the nut started loosening. So don't recommend this kind of jack for more than, let us say, 200 or max 300 kilo work. Maybe for scooter and all it is good, which does not have stand or which needs stand repairing. Not at all recommended for even trying in car, because this will store a lot of energy. In case this slips, the car will also come down and fast, and then this will fly and possibly hurt the operator.